full episodes. Baddy forces Little Meow into the river. Dun 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 dun. Ha ha! Soon, Foggy Bottom and Baby were mine. Ha 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 ha! You lie. Let's force somebody into the river by this fire. But I'll need some tools to handle the fire. This. Perfect. But it's not mine. Oh. Wow. Wow. The trash. Oh no, the cave is broken. I will fix it. Fix it. The second fire. Oh no, the fire burned up. Wow, the fire burned up too. Let's. Oil here. Haha, under the fire. Handle this. This will give you attention for sure. You can help. Yes, not the game. No, not the game. This will give the attention for sure. Oh. Into the river. Woohoo! Oh no! The cat is in the river, and a sheep is heading for it. Boo boo! Boo boo! Oh no! We better call the super agents. Ding ding. Ding ding. Oh, what's up? Oh, this is broken. I think that. Did you know Baddy and his cousin forces Cat Meow into the river? Oh no, that's bad. Cat don't like water, and then the ship is heading for it. Oh no, the ship. So we're on our way. No, force is too small. The engines are too big. What's up? Did you know Baddy and his cousin forces Little Meow into the river? Oh no, cats don't like water. Yeah, so this mission now need. Oh no, investigate is not here. We better don't use investigate. I'll need a fireman. Yes, I need you to rescue that Meow. Okay, and use your sailboat. And I'll also need Katie. Yes! I need you to fly up and see where is Baddy, to search and follow it, and then see where is Little Meow. Okay, firemen rescue humans. Katie's gonna fly, Timmy. Okay, we're on the road. Whoa! Little Meow are in water. Wow, she's dangerous too. We better hurry up. Oh no! It's dim. Hurry up! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Oi! What's up in there? Ba 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 ba! What is there? Boom! Wow! I think it's the ship is leaking. Wow! Boom boom boom! Oh no! The ship is broken too. Okay, we're on our way. Woo-hoo! I'm the daring queen! Woohoo! Hey! Ben, yes, I need you to fix it. Okay, I'll use my sailboat. Don't throw it, allow it. Sailboat to launch. And Ben to launch too. Whoa! Oh! Oh, fix it. Ah, yeah. That's not good. I didn't have one. I didn't have the. I forgot to take the screwdriver. Okay, I will send fireman to bring it to you. Fireboat to launch. Here, your screwdriver. Okay, thanks. Hammer. Boom, 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 boom. Finished. Oh. Hammer. Boom, 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 boom. Finish again. Ooh, that's better. Ah. Oh no, I'm in the sea. Swim away. Hey! Don't quit. Don't give up. I'm not giving up. What? What? Okay, fireman. Yes? You rescue Timmy. Okay. Timmy, yes. You go on the boat, I will flow away. Okay. Oh no. The boat is not big enough. Okay, I'll send the water rod to help. Ha! Cool! Aha! Uh-oh. Ha ha ha. Oh. Ah. Uh-oh, I better get out of it. Ouchie tat. Phew. Thank you for saving me in the water. You're welcome. My baddies forces you into the river. Wow. And thanks for me too for saving me out of the water. I'm not a sailboat. Maybe I'll not try that next time. My I'm soaked. I need some towel. Here you are. Thanks. Now I'm dry and safe. That's all. So subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye.